Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm so happy you're here today. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any fun yoga adventures with your favorite characters. Now, find a comfy spot, grab your mat, and get ready. This is your special time to move, stretch, and have fun. Remember, there's no need to rush. Just listen to your body, breathe slowly, and enjoy each movement. You're doing amazing just by being here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Are you ready? Let's begin our yoga adventure. Now let's get started. Imagine sitting quietly beside a sparkling stream that reflects your peaceful face. The water flows gently, just like your calm and steady breathing. You feel safe, relaxed, and completely yourself in this magical place. Everything around you is calm, and everything inside you is too. Think of a warm light glowing in your chest and spreading through your whole body. This light gives you courage, kindness, and gentle strength. It shines through your movements and your breath. You are glowing with inner beauty. Stretch your body like you are waking up in a cozy forest cottage. Everything feels full of possibility. You move slowly, enjoying each gentle motion. You are relaxed, refreshed, and ready for a new adventure. Move slowly and gracefully, like you are telling a beautiful story with your body. Each motion is soft, thoughtful, and full of kindness. You are creating a peaceful rhythm that flows from one movement to the next. Your body feels like a gentle dance. Lift your chin slightly and feel proud of who you are becoming. You don't need to rush because your journey is unfolding perfectly. Every small movement you make matters and helps you grow. You are exactly where you need to be. Great job! Now let's do the same on the other side. It's okay to wobble, that means you're learning. Try again, don't give up. You're getting better every time. Reach up high like you are touching the sky and gathering stardust in your hands. Feel the gentle stretch through your body as you grow tall and proud. You are reaching for your dreams with calm confidence and hope. Every part of you is awake, alive, and shining. Wonderful. Now let's do the same on the other side. Your body is amazing. It can stretch, bend, and balance. Be proud of yourself. Balance carefully like a gentle deer stepping quietly through the forest. Your body is steady and focused on the present moment. Even if you wobble, you smile and keep trying with patience. You are learning, growing, and becoming stronger every second. Now, let's do the same on the other side. Stand tall like a graceful princess who believes in the goodness of the world. Feel your courage growing inside you like a tiny glowing light that gets brighter with every breath. You stay calm and strong like a tree in a quiet forest. Stretch your arms wide as if you are welcoming birds to land softly beside you. Your movements are smooth and kind, like a song carried on the wind. Every breath you take fills you with warmth and peaceful energy. You are connected to the magic of nature all around you. Great job! Now let's do the same on the other side. As you move, feel the rhythm of your breath like music guiding you gently. You are full of happiness that shines from the inside out. You are brave, gentle, and filled with beautiful strength. Step forward with confidence, like someone who knows their heart is pure and true. Even if the path feels mysterious, you trust yourself to keep going. Each movement you make is filled with grace and gentle bravery. You are strong in a quiet, beautiful way. Perfect. Now let's do the same on the other side. Step gently as if the ground beneath you is delicate and magical. You move with care, respect, and awareness of everything around you. Your body feels balanced and steady with each step. You are calm and connected to the earth. Share your joy with the world just by being yourself. Your smile and gentle energy brighten everything around you. As you move, you spread happiness like sunshine through the trees. You are a source of light and kindness. Imagine helping tiny forest creatures by moving slowly and carefully around them. Your presence makes them feel safe, happy, and protected. You are gentle, thoughtful, and full of compassion. Your kindness is your greatest strength. Amazing! Now let's do the same on the other side. Think of yourself as someone who always believes in happy endings. No matter what happens, you keep hope alive in your heart. Your movements are filled with that hopeful, peaceful energy. You are strong because you believe. Place your hands and your head on the mat. Feel its steady, loving beat of your heart. This is where your kindness lives, glowing softly inside you. Every breath makes that glow stronger and warmer. You carry love with you wherever you go. Close your eyes for a moment and listen to the quiet around you. In that quiet, you can feel your breath and your calm thoughts. Everything slows down and becomes peaceful and clear. You are centered, steady, and calm. Great job today. You are amazing. Take a deep breath, feel proud of yourself, and carry this calm and happy feeling with you for the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing with me. I can't wait to see you again soon. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for new characters and yoga adventures. See you next time.